Noise levels are an important consideration for maintaining a comfortable and productive laboratory environment. Vortex mixers, while essential for many laboratory processes, can generate varying levels of sound. Let's explore the factors affecting noise levels and how to mitigate them. Factors influencing noise levels. 1. Motor quality. Higher quality motors tend to produce less noise. 2. Speed settings. Faster speeds can increase noise levels. 3. Sample container. The type of container used can affect the noise produced during mixing. 4. Age of the device. Older devices may produce more noise due to wear and tear. Mitigation strategies. 1. Placement. Position the vortex mixer away from sensitive areas, or use sound-absorbing materials around it. 2. Maintenance. Regular maintenance can help reduce noise by keeping the device in good condition. 3. Speed adjustment. Use lower speeds when possible to minimize noise. 4. Soundproofing. Consider soundproofing measures for particularly noisy environments. By choosing high-quality vortex mixers and implementing these strategies, you can maintain a quieter and more comfortable laboratory environment. Want to learn more about our products? Feel free to contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.